What is that?
Map.
Map. Where does map go?
Uh-oh.
No, what letter says map? It goes under the M. Which one do you want to do next?
Rain.
Let me see. Rain. What letter goes with rain? What letter says r? No, what letter says r? R, that's right.
Mommy, I want this one.
Okay. What about this? This is a boy. What letter says boy?
B.
That's right. What about this? Road. Road.
Yeah.
What letter is that?
R.
This is a book. What letter says book?
B.
Good. Bird. What letter says bird?
B.
What about milk? What is the letter says milk? Finley, work on your words. What letter says milk? That's right. What about roof? Roof. Which letter? R? What about socks? Socks. What letter says? Good. What about seal? What letter says seal? What about mitten? What letter says mitten? Mitten. Yeah, M. Finley, can you go finish your words, please? Okay, what about rabbit? Rabbit. Yeah. What about saw? Saw. Yeah. What about belt? Belt.
B.
Yeah, where's B?
Here.
Okay. What about man? Man. Yeah, what letter is this? What about six? Six. Yeah. What letter is this? What's that? Good job.